To make this easy, no-sew, vintage lace bunny garland, begin by drawing a bunny shape on a piece of white cardstock, or you can print one off of the computer. Then cut out the bunny shape. Next, trace your bunny shape on a piece of white cloth using a pencil. You will need 2 bunny tracings per bunny that you want to make. Cut out your bunny shapes with fabric scissors. Next, glue together 2 bunny tracings with hot glue, stuffing with fiber fill as you go. Working quickly, outline the whole top of the bunny in hot glue. Then press the piece of lace down onto the bunny to adhere it. You may want to wear rubber gloves to protect your hands as the hot glue will seep up through the lace. Next, trim off the excess lace from around the edges of the bunny. Glue a small piece of faux fur, a pom-pom, or a small piece of cotton ball onto the bunny as a tail. Next, tie a small bow out of some natural kitchen twine and glue it onto the neck of the bunny. You can use the bunnies as basket filler or use a needle and white thread to string them up into a garland. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this simple spring project. Be sure to subscribe for more projects and ideas, or follow along on Instagram, Facebook, or on the blog.